WooCommerce order notes are a simple tool for store owners to manage all order notes, providing a quick preview of the notes added to each order. This is a very useful feature, but for those cases where you want to remove these notes, we'll show you how to do it in bulk. To do this, we'll use the WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin, which allows you to view and manage all orders using an intuitive spreadsheet within WordPress. You can do advanced searches using any field as a search parameter, export orders to a CSV file to send reports to your customers or shipping departments, and bulk edit thousands of orders with a few clicks. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of the video, as well as a link to our written tutorial. If you only want to remove specific order notes, you can select them using the search tool. Once the tool is open, we'll see two options. One is to find all orders that contain a specific keyword in the order notes, or to find all order notes without specific keywords. In this way, we can narrow down the search results to find and edit only the orders we want. For this example, we'll search for orders whose note includes the keyword cancelled. And we'll run the search. Then, open the bulk edit tool, which allows you to apply bulk changes to hundreds of WooCommerce orders with a few clicks. Once you're in the bulk edit tool, you need to select the rows that you want to update. The field to edit will be order notes. Select the clear value edit type. And execute to remove the order notes from all the filtered orders. If instead of filtering the orders, you want to bulk delete the order notes from all your orders, you can easily do it. First, open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, you need to select the rows that you want to update. Select the field order notes. Choose to clear the value. And execute to remove the order notes from all your orders. Finding and deleting order notes in bulk is really simple with the WP Sheet Editor WooCommerce Orders plugin. You can easily filter your WooCommerce orders and bulk edit all the search results with a few clicks. Definitely, this plugin will boost your productivity considerably. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide in the description of the video, as well as a link to download the plugin. You can get free live chat assistance on our website and access hundreds of tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you don't miss any of our tutorials.